Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Scout, your go-to destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into a beast that's making a serious comeback in 2025. Yes, we're talking about the legendary Kawasaki KX500, back in action, and now reborn as the 2025 Kawasaki KX500. This isn't just a retro revival, it's a statement. A monster of a dirt bike with serious updates for the modern rider. For those who know their dirt bikes, the KX500 was an icon back in the day. First introduced in the 1980s, this machine was known for its raw power, two-stroke madness, and no-nonsense performance. It was built for riders who weren't afraid to handle a bike that kicked back. But now, in 2025, Kawasaki has taken that same DNA and brought it back with an H-model twist, refined, reimagined, and ready to dominate again. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 KX500 is how aggressive it looks. Kawasaki has nailed the styling, sharp lines, bold graphics, and that signature Kawasaki lime green paint. But what's under the plastics is where things get really exciting. This bike runs a modernized 499cc liquid-cooled two-stroke engine, tuned for better low-end torque without sacrificing the wild top end this model is famous for. It's smoother, cleaner, and more efficient than the old-school version, thanks to modern fuel mapping and better carburation. Yes, it still uses a carburetor, but with a modern Keihin PWK setup that brings precise fuel delivery. It's got the punch you expect when you twist the throttle, but it's a lot more predictable than the brutal hit of the 90s KX500. Kawasaki has managed to tame the beast, just enough. Let's talk about the suspension. The 2025 KX500 features KYB AOS 48mm front forks and a fully adjustable KYB rear shock. This setup provides plush travel and incredible response across whoops, ruts, and jumps. Whether you're racing in the desert, charging through trails, or flying over motocross tracks, this suspension soaks it all up with confidence. The chassis has been completely redesigned to accommodate the modern components. It now features a lightweight aluminum perimeter frame derived from Kawasaki's motocross lineup, providing better rigidity and improved handling. Combined with a revised swing arm and updated ergonomics, it gives you more control in the corners and better stability at high speeds. Braking has also taken a major leap forward. The KX500 now comes with 270mm front and 240mm rear pedal disc brakes, paired with high-performance Nissan calipers. The stopping power is sharp and consistent, a massive upgrade from the older models. Another thing Kawasaki paid attention to is weight. At just around 238 pounds, 108 kg dry, the KX500 is surprisingly manageable. This, combined with the frame geometry and suspension, makes the bike feel lighter than it is, especially once you're riding aggressively. Now, one of the most important things for riders today: price. The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 is priced at around $10,499 USD. That puts it in a competitive spot for a high-performance two-stroke. Considering its heritage, modern upgrades, and raw performance, it's a price many riders will be willing to pay to own a piece of motocross history, reborn. And no, this bike is not street legal. It's built for off-road domination. So if you're looking for something to cruise on the highway, this isn't it. But if you want to rip through the desert, climb hills, or take on motocross tracks with authority, this bike delivers in a big way. To sum it up, the 2025 Kawasaki KX500 is for riders who crave that classic two-stroke adrenaline rush, but with modern reliability and control. It brings together the soul of the old KX500 with the brain of a modern race bike. Kawasaki has done an incredible job at reviving this legend, and it's not just a marketing stunt, it's the real deal. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 KX500 the two-stroke comeback we've all been waiting for? Would you ride one, or is it too wild for today's tracks? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching this episode of Bike Scout. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth bike reviews, comparisons, and two-wheel news every week. Ride safe, ride hard, and I'll see you in the next one.